Hey everybody, so I got a recipe off the internet, looked pretty good. I thought I'd try to make it today for the family, and it's for the grill. So if you want to mix it up, you're tired of making ribs and hamburgers and hot dogs, this is a nice little way to mix it up. So start with corn. You can buy fresh corn. I bought frozen and boiled it a little bit to get it soft, and then I cut them. These are the half ears, and I cut them in half to make half of a half, so a quarter each. Ribeyes, I'm gonna cut these up in chunks. Only cooked it rare right now because I know it'll cook more on the grill. Red potatoes. These are Andouille sausages. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's spelled, let's see, how do you spell it? Andouille sausages. A-N-D-O-U-I-L-L-E. Andouille sausages. Butter, lemons, parsley flakes, pepper, Old Bay seasoning, salt, garlic, and shrimp. So I want to mix all this together on aluminum foil. Drizzle a little olive oil over it, the Old Bay seasoning, some lemon, some butter on top, and then grill it for about 10 minutes. And it's supposed to be a really good meal. So I'm going to finish cutting up the steak, and then I'll record again when I have it piling on each of the aluminum pieces here. So take a break. Alright, I'm back, guys. So everything that was here was part of the recipe I found online, but I added the ribeye because why not? Because steak. And you'll see I didn't sear off all the fat. And I'm not Gordon Ramsay, that's why I didn't do that. I meant to, but I'm not that skilled, so I did what I could do, but it still looks delicious though, doesn't it? Let me check this out. Oh my god, it's so good. Right, so again, corn cut in quarters, red potatoes, ribeye steak, shrimp. I got the frozen kind and just put them under cold water. They're de-thawed. Lemon wedges, andouille sausage, butter, garlic, salt, Old Bay seasoning, pepper, parsley flakes, olive oil. So, what we do, just start dumping it on here. Erin doesn't like shrimp, so she won't get shrimp. The rest of us get shrimp. A little of this. A little of this. Like so. A little of this. Steak there, some red potatoes on there like that, a little bit more red potatoes because potatoes, andouille sausages, sprinkle those around there, garlic, there we go, lemon wedges around here. Okay, let me rinse my hands off here. Get a towel. Alright, so then I'm going to cut a little bit of butter off, put a little bit of butter on top. This is smart choice butter, by the way, because we're smart. A little bit more butter. Butter there. Okay, and then a little bit of salt on there. I can open it. Okay. A little bit of salt. Okay. A little bit of Old Bay. This is what's going to give it that yummy flavor that we love. If I could hold this thing right. There we go. Sprinkle it. Get it on there good. Yeah, get it on there real good. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of parsley. Okay. And drizzle the top with olive oil. Alright. A little bit of this on top here. Alright. Now we mix it all up here. Mix it all up good. I'm going to do this 7 times to account for the whole family. Now once we're done here, wrap these bad boys like this. So at one end, you move this bowl here. So fold this over. Fold it over until the ends meet. Like so. Flatten down the sides here. Fold them over. And put too much in here. Make sure it's pushed in a little bit. So make sure there's room on the sides so that when you fold it over, you can fold it like so. See how I folded that edge in? I'm going to try to do the same on the other side. It's hard to do this with one hand. There we go. So now both sides are folded in. You see that? Both sides are folded in. Then the top, we're going to do the same thing. Okay. Come on. So now we have nice little sealed packs. So there's that. When I'm done, I'm gonna set this over here on this plate. I'm gonna do this 7 times. And once I get done, you'll see me, I'll put it on the grill. And then we're supposed to cook it for 10 minutes. I'll probably end up cooking it 15 or 20 minutes because I don't think those red potatoes are gonna get done in 10 minutes. We'll see though. So that's it for now. I'm gonna pack up all 7 and I'll meet you whenever we get them wrapped up. All right, so I'm back. I've got them all wrapped up. Here's what they look like when you're finished. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Mama's has an M on it because she doesn't like the shrimp, so we know that's a different one. So it's 8 packets, each packed full of the ingredients I showed earlier, and now we're going to throw them on a grill. All right, so we're out at the grill. It's on high. It's a very dirty grill, but I cleaned it off. It's a little rusty on the bottom, but whatever. So take them pack at a time, put them on high, and place them right on the grill. Alright, so we have them all on the grill. Time to cook them on high for about 15-20 minutes is how long I'm going to let them cook. So I'll be back in about 15-20 minutes. Alright, we are back. Do you hear that sizzling goodness? Cooked about 20 minutes. So I'm going to take them off. Take them inside, open them up, see how they look. You see if I open them up, there'll be a lot of grease popping off of here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Come on now. Set this down. Let's find a way to... Okay. Trying to hold it up with my neck. Not so easy. Ay, 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 hot. All right. That's the important one right there. Hope I didn't screw that one up. All right, so grill is off, everything's good. Time to carry them inside and open them up. See what happened. Nope, I'm going back out. All right, go ahead and close it, Connor. All right, so time to get the plates on the table and open them up and see what we think. All right, so I got them on everybody's plates. Let's go ahead and open them up and look at them. Be very careful, it's hot. And then the sides peel off. And then they flip over. They're folded halfway down the middle.
Said flip them over?
Yeah, this way now, halfway. Oh, 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 oh. You still got wrapped there.
Okay.
Once it's right, it should just flip right open. Should open in the middle, right there. Yeah.
Because he said to mess with mine. He said open it.
So that's what it looks like when it's done. Look at that steam coming off. Nope, you can't eat it. I actually just made it just for the video. Let's see yours. So it looks like that steak cooked nicely. Let me see. Make sure. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Go ahead, open it. Hey Nina.
Look at that.
I love you.
No wonder why it's wrapped.
So look at that steam coming off there. That's what it looks like when it's done. The potatoes are nice and cooked, so definitely 15-20 minutes is all it takes. Shrimps are on there. How those shrimps look? They look good. Let me try it. See. Yep, shrimps came out good. All right, run them.
Let me just.
All right, so this is mine here. So see the cooling and everything in here. Hold on. All right, so I'm looking for my lemons. It looks like they already squeezed themselves off, but when they cook, I guess they squeezed out anything left. You squeeze on top. That is so good. All right, so I think it's worth the effort. Kids love it. Y'all love it?
Yeah.
What you think, Ronan? You like it?
Yeah.
What do you think, Liam? You love it? You haven't tried any yet. You want to try a little of this steak? Yeah. All right, come on over. No carbs in the steak, so. Is it too hot? Is it yummy?
It's kind of like a game.
It's not yummy? Oh, is it too hot? Let me have it. Just let me have it. Just spit it out. There we go. Was it too hot?
Yeah.
You want to let it cool off and reheat it? Or you just want to throw it away? All right. All right, y'all done then.